Now, in the black hole, there is a gravitational singularity. If we are falling into the black hole, we will be squashed into the black hole and we are becoming one with the black hole. That means we are never able to get back and telling our friends that we are falling to the black hole. And if we have friends that observe us outside the event horizon, those friends will see us that we are getting redder and getting dimmer. And eventually, we are freeze and never crosses the event horizon. Why is that happening? Because time and space in the black hole is swapping their role. When time comes to a standstill and space moves forward. Stephen Hawking, one of the most influential scientists, says that if we are falling into the black hole, there is a possibility that in the black hole there is a passage to the alternate universe, and we will experience a different history. Wanna try? And across our science voyage, eventually we make a history. On April 10, 2019, the first images of the black hole is captured. And this black hole is captured from the center of the galaxy called Messier 87. These images is captured by International Radio Telescope called Event Horizon Telescope. And this black hole, the supermassive one, has a mass of 6.5 billion times the mass of our sun. And for a distance is 55 million light years away from Earth. Talking about the light years, this means that if we are traveling using the speed of light, we will travel with the time of 55 million years. And these images that we see tonight is derived from 55 million years ago. Why is that? Could be because light also needs time and space to travel until eventually reach us. Incredible, right? And these images is different from the movie Interstellar. And why is that happening? Let us listen for a while for Kip Thorne's explication.
Have you ever wondered why the black hole named Gargantua in the movie Interstellar is different from the actual black hole image released by NASA? Well, there is an explanation for this by the movie physicist Kip Thorne.
The camera for the movie Interstellar is near the plane of the disk, so that's what it looks like in Interstellar. We're going to move the camera up to the North Pole and see what happens. It's pretty obvious. You lose the crossbar. And then you blur things out because the radio astronomers don't have very good angular resolution.
All right. So when there is a birth, there is a mortality. The black hole will evaporate through a process called Hawking radiation. In the black hole, there is an empty space that is not empty at all, but there are virtual particles that are popping into existence and annihilating each other. So the black hole is losing energy. At first, this process is really slow, but gets fast as the black hole is smaller. When the black hole has a mass of the asteroid, it radiates the heat of room temperature. When it has a mass of mountain, it radiates the heat of our sun. And eventually, in the last second of life, the black hole will radiate a huge explosion of nuclear bomb. However, these processes is incredibly slow. It could take Google of years until these black holes is losing its energy. And when its time has come, the universe will be uninhabitable and we will never able to witness it. What a really incredible creation, and yet mysterious. When the first time I see this creation, it makes me wonder, what is this? This is a black hole. Thank you so much, and I'm open for the question and answer session. Since the limitation of time, I just allowed one question. All right. Who would like to ask me? Yes.
Okay, so do you mean if this black hole is like such, if we are, for example, we are astronauts, right? And if we are attached, sucked inside into, so is it possibly we still alive, or like stopping the time and go to multiverse, or what? Because I still don't get it.
Okay, all right. So actually, there are many theories according to this question. One of the theories that explicate if we are falling into the black hole, we will getting into the spaghetti. So our body will be as soft as spaghetti. And another theory is that we will go to another dimension. We are living in the 3 dimension, but in the black hole, there is a possibility that we will face the 4th dimension or even the higher dimension. In the movie Interstellar, the theory is we will face the 5th dimension. So we will see all of our lifetime happens in our past life. So that is really interesting and really intriguing. And until now, that singularity of the black hole is still mysterious. Means that we will never know what happens into that singularity until we fall, until we experience by ourselves, fall ourselves into the black hole. So many theories. Spaghetti, go to the 4th dimension, go to another universe, go to another planet, go to another galaxy, and so on and so forth. I think that's all. Thank you so much. And yeah, thank you for that questions. I hope you all, and I hope we all in here love science and love the black hole and love another mystery creation. Thank you so much. Back to our Toastmasters of the meeting, Toastmasters Netia Rosa.
To our professor from NASA.